Ctrl X, code the selected item. Ctrl plus C or Ctrl insert. It is used to copy the selected item. Ctrl plus V or Shift insert. Paste the selected item. Ctrl plus J. Undo an action. Alt plus Tab. It is used to switch between open apps. Alt plus F4. It is used to close the active item or exit the active app. Windows logo key plus CL. This is used to lock your personal computer. Windows logo key plus D. This display and hide the desktop. F2. Rename the selected item. F3. To search for a file or folder in a file explorer. F4. Display the address bar list in file explorer. F5. Refresh the active window. F6. Cycle through screen elements in a window or on the desktop. F10. Activate the menu bar in the active app. Alt plus A. Set focus to the first icon in the suggested action menu. Alt plus F8. Show your password on the sign in screen.